Hello guys, we are back. Welcome to yet another episode of Crochet with me. Hi guys, I've even lost count on whatever day that I am, cause well, crocheting is hard. What? On this episode, I'm going to crochet a crimped crop top. Yeah, guys, you heard me right. I'm going to crochet a crimped a crop top. A crimped crop top. Oh my goodness, English. Yeah, nenda ku crochet a crimped crop top. I have this like it's a wide-legged pants, more of a high-waisted palazzo pants. Yeah, I saw crimped crop top tutorial. Yeah, and I said it's time for me to wear these pants and pair it with that crimped crop top. I want to clear my first pieces of yarn, so I'm still using the same color. Hopefully they marry each other, so hopefully guys it turns out to what I'm imagining of. Yeah, cause it's a tough one. I'm just going to focus. It's just me with my crochet hooks, and as I document for you my crocheting era. Okay. That's the tutorial that I'm watching as I crochet. So let's begin on the first step.
To begin, make a slip knot.
I don't want to make mistakes on this. this is what I made yesterday. Yeah, so let's continue crocheting until I went back to the tutorial and checked. It's a ribbed top, not a cribbed top. Guys, I've mastered the tutorial. Yeah, at least I'm not right now, I'm not confusing when to make the chain one and when to make whatever chain. Yeah, so I want to go off vlogging because I need to make 20 rows. Yeah, and this row, which row is this? I guess I mean actually, which row is this? I guess I'm in row 8, but I'll go count. Yeah, I'm in row 8, so I need to reach to row 20. So see you guys when I'm at row 20. Hi guys, I just finished my first 20 rows. Yeah, and here's the update on it. Hi guys, welcome to day 3 of crochet with me, and so far I won't say we're going good because the piece that I created, it's not straight. Like you see, it's forming a curve, and the more I proceed, the more it's forming the curve. You see this curve here? Yeah, the curve there. Yeah, I know it's probably because I was skipping some stitches while crocheting. Yeah, that's why it's forming that curve. It's not supposed to form that curve. It's supposed to go straight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo it, like to undo the whole the whole piece that I had created, and then I start. This is what it is behind the scene when you see someone rocking that crochet, especially when you're learning through tutorial. It's very hard. I've even lost days. Probably it's 1 week. It's 1 week plus. You remember that time I undid where I had reached at here. So I started. I progressed well. You see, at least it started forming a straight. It's a straight curve, yeah. But apparently it's big, like it's big. I don't know, maybe the type of yarn that she was using, I was not supposed to a long foundation chain. Yeah, so this is the problem. It's big. It's not even a crop top, it will be a sweater. And as you can see here, it's curving. I don't know why it's curving, but it's supposed to be straight. I don't know why I'm even laughing at my problems here. So I had arrived here at this shoulder, yeah. And yeah, so guys, I saw this project will take a long time and I am not patient enough. I guess this project needs like 100% concentration. Yeah, so because here I know it will bring for me a problem when I continue because of the curve. Initially it's supposed to be straight, but I'm happy with the progress. The curve did not start here. Yeah, at least here on my, so on my, I don't know, this snatching part, at least it's straight. That's that's a thumbs up for me, my progress here. But now moving forward, I guess here there is a problem. I guess that type of crochet design needs a specific type of yarn, and this yarn is not appropriate for that because it's stretchy. I've left this project on hang. I will maybe probably go to the market and get the right type of yarn for that project. Yeah, here is a new project that I began working on just yesterday, a day like after realizing that project won't go well with me. Yeah, this one will be a tank top, hopefully. Fingers crossed. But I like the progress, and then it's a simple stitch. For a beginner, I would recommend this type of stitch here. It's simple and easy for you to maneuver around, unlike the one that I was working with previously. Yeah, so guys, fingers crossed, I'm going to finish this one as soon as possible. I'm giving myself 3 days. Yeah, 3 days. Yeah, 3 days I should have complete this this project here. This cutaway, this the bottom part. I can't crochet while on the phone, but I guess I'll just be showing. If anyway, why should I show you guys? I'm learning through an YouTube tutorial, yeah. And then it's good to start with simple project. I was giving myself an elephant project. Yeah, so guys, I will see you when I get to the bust stop. Hopefully it will fit me, like when I enter inside him. I don't know. Well, it's hard. Crocheting is difficult, especially when you're learning through YouTube tutorial. Okay.